Hey there, DIY lovers and holiday enthusiasts. Ready to transform your home into a stunning winter wonderland without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you some simple yet magical decor hacks that will have your space looking like a snowy paradise in no time. Let's get started. Start with some fairy lights. String them up around your windows, over your mantle, or even along the staircase railings. You can find inexpensive LED fairy lights online or at your local store. They're a game changer for creating that soft, wintry glow. Next up, let's bring in the snow. We're going DIY style with easy-to-make snowy touches. Grab some cotton balls and make your own snowdrifts on the table. Or get a can of fake snow spray to create frost on your windows. You can even add a little sparkle with some glitter, because what's a winter wonderland without a little magic, right? Now let's bring the outside inside. Adding some winter foliage to your decor is an easy way to make your space feel like a forest in the middle of a snowy wonderland. Think pine cones, faux evergreens, or even a festive wreath for your front door. You can also add some sprigs of holly or eucalyptus in glass jars for an elegant touch. Simply grab a mason jar, some glitter, and a tiny figurine or two. Add a bit of water and glycerin for the perfect snow globe effect. Seal it, give it a shake, and voila! Instant magic. course, no winter wonderland is complete without a stunning table setting for all your holiday gatherings. Use white tablecloths, silver or gold cutlery, and place winter-themed decor like snowflake napkin rings or faux snow on the table. For the center, try a simple glass vase filled with twigs or branches sprayed in silver or white, an easy and chic touch that brings the outdoors inside. And there you have it. With just a little creativity and some simple materials, you can create your very own winter wonderland right at home. Whether you're hosting a holiday dinner or just enjoying some cozy time with your family, these decor hacks will make your space feel magical. Let us know in the comments below which winter wonderland hack you're most excited to try. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another holiday hack. Happy decorating and see you in the next one.